So today I wanted to talk about the 5 main elements of the early acquisition policy. So what is the early acquisition policy is the first one. So the Department of Transport and Main Roads, they're the main resuming authority in Queensland. So they're the one that you deal with most as a resumptions lawyer, where they're going to take property, they're either going to expand roads, build new roads, do that. So they actually have an early acquisition policy. So let's go through some of the key features. The second part of this is when you can actually use the early acquisition policy. The early acquisition policy can be used when your property moves into what they call protected planning. So there's different stages. It's stage C of them deciding that they're going to need your property because they might want to take all of your property to put a road through, to expand a road. They might want to take part of your property. And it moves into this protected planning section. So even if a part of the property is being taken, so this is the third element, then depending on how much of the property is being taken, they can actually approve you to have the whole property taken. And then the fourth element is around what are the criteria that you can use to actually have TMR buy your property early. The most common one is that you want to sell the property. You want to sell the property and you can't sell it. Because the TMR is going to take it in the future, so no one wants to buy the property. So that's the first one. The second one is around if you want to develop the property, and TMR says, "Well, you can't develop this because we're going to take the property. So you need to, in that situation, you can't just hold on to the property just because TMR don't want you to develop it." And they can do that. The third one is if you want to borrow money and the bank won't give you the loan because the TMR is going to take the land. That's one that comes up. And the fourth one is if basically there's a medical condition that's been exacerbated by the resumption. So this can be the idea that your house has been taken is causing you so much medical distress and there's nothing else that can be done about it. So you need to work out which one of those apply. And the fifth thing is to actually put in the application. So the application, is there's no set form for it. It's generally just a letter. It's something though that you want to get right because you want to make sure you put the right thing in because the different ways that you resume, the 4 ones that I went through before, or the four ways that the early acquisition policy might apply to you, if you do it incorrectly, it can actually backfire on you. It can actually stop you from getting certain amounts of compensation. So you want to make sure that you get advice. So that's something that we help with people all the time, help them put together their application. So if you've got one of those, if you've got any questions around that, please either comment below or shoot us a message. We'd love to help you out. And because early acquisition can be a great way of when you know that your property is going to get taken by TMR to put a road through, that you can get out early and move on with your life. Have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.